In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity, an AI search tool that claims to search better than Google. Whether you're researching for academic purposes, personal knowledge, or just curious about the latest advancements in research technology, this guide will help you navigate through Perplexity's features. Let's dive right in. You start by visiting Google as you would for any traditional search. Once you're on Google, you type in your query. For this example, let's say you want to compare the effectiveness of different weight loss medications in 2025, including Wegovy, Ozempic, and Mounjaro, with clinical trial sources. This query is quite specific, aiming to gather scientifically sound information. After typing in your search terms, you'd typically expect to see results. But as it often happens, traditional search engines tend to return a lot of blog posts, opinion pieces, or even commercial websites that might not be backed by the scientific rigor you're looking for. At this point, you might feel a bit stuck if you're trying to find authoritative clinical data or peer-reviewed sources. This is where Perplexity comes into play. Instead of sifting through blogs, let's switch over to Perplexity's interface and input the same question there. Perplexity is designed to handle complex queries, offering a more refined approach to finding information. Once you're on Perplexity's website, enter the same search terms into its search bar. Just like Google, you simply type out what you're looking to learn more about, and then click the Submit button to process the request. This intuitive approach makes it accessible even for those who aren't super tech-savvy. Now, here is where Perplexity stands out. Instead of a list of blog links, Perplexity provides concise scientific summaries alongside direct citations. It brings forth information from peer-reviewed journals and credible sources right to your screen. Moreover, it allows you to dive deeper into the sources if you wish, affording a nuanced understanding of the topic at hand. This functionality is particularly useful for researchers, students, or anyone looking to arm themselves with knowledge from trusted sources, cutting through the noise of endless blog posts and unverified claims. With Perplexity, you ensure that the knowledge you're gaining is grounded in facts and evidence, rather than opinions or interpretations. And that's all there is to it. By leveraging Perplexity next time you're delving into a detailed research question, you can save time and increase the quality of your search results. Remember, it's all about getting to the truth faster and more efficiently. Thanks for joining us today as we explored how Perplexity can redefine your search experience